Meeting our interim report and recommendation to the Office of the Ombudsman on the alleged involvement of several incumbent and former members of the House of Representatives and the Senate in obtaining bribes or unwarranted monetary benefits from flood control project contractors. We recommended the filing of criminal and administrative charges against the following persons. One, former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Number two, Senator Joel Jose Villanueva. Number three, Senator Jose Jingoy Estrada Ejercito Jr. Number four, former Congressman Elizalde Saldico. Number five, COA Commissioner Mario Lipana. And number six, former Congresswoman Mary Mitch Kahayon Uy. These persons have possibly committed these following violations: direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials under Articles 210, 211, and 212 of the revised Penal Code. Corruption of public officers under Section 3B and 3E of the Public Act 3019. Plunder as defined and penalized under Section 2 of the Public Act 7080.